It can be hard to trust your singing voice if you're not really used to hearing it. The quickest way to learn to trust your voice is to sing a lot. But there's something else. If you want to learn to trust your voice, it's important for you to hear it without any accompanying sound. Karaoke, singing along with music, even singing with an accompanist, all blend your sound with something else. So it's hard to become comfortable with just your own voice. Singing along with music hides your voice from the world, but it also hides it from you. I understand that initially it feels safer, but it's a little like learning to ride a bike. Remember the feeling of freedom you had the first time you rode a bike on your own? That's what it feels like when you start to trust your own unaccompanied voice. It's a feeling of absolute freedom, and just like riding a bike, you only get it when there's nothing holding you up but you. Trust and freedom go hand in hand when you're singing. When you start to trust your voice, freedom appears and something else happens. You start to bloom as a singer. You automatically become more willing to experiment, to see what your voice can do and where it wants to take you. When you start to trust your voice, singing really becomes fun, and you can sing as easily as this. Just let a smile be your umbrella on a rainy, rainy day. And if your sweetie cries, just tell her that a smile will always pay. Whenever skies are gray, don't worry and fret. Let a smile be your umbrella and you'll never get wet. So let a smile be your umbrella on a rainy, rainy day. It's amazing we can have something as miraculous as a human voice and still not trust it. Without trust, confidence is elusive. The wonderful part is, once you start to trust your voice, freedom appears. And once freedom appears, confidence is right there alongside it.